Welcome to the course. My name is John Elder and I'm the founder of Codemy.com. Join me and let's unlock a world where you can build anything you want, create any startup you want, or get any job you want by learning the most important skill for our future, coding. I've been building things online for a long time. I built one of the internet's first advertising networks in the late 90s and sold it to a publicly traded company at the height of the first .com boom. Then I built one of the internet's first SEO tools, the Submission Spider search engine submission software used by over 3 million people around the world. I've written several Amazon #1 best-selling coding books, and today I run Codemy.com, where I've taught over 50,000 people how to code. In this course, I'm going to teach you the Django web framework with Python, and we're going to use it to build this cool dental website. Why a dental website? Chances are you're not a dentist, but you may be a programmer or a coder that wants to do some freelance work. And the best way to get freelance work is to go around your local community to all the businesses and build them websites. And every community has dentists, right? So I'm going to show you how to create this dental website. And it's a basic website, but it's a good looking website, right? We've got some things that spin. We've got a video that can show up. We've got this cool pricing table. We've got this book an appointment form, all these different things. We can go to a contact page and we've got a map, another contact form, and all kinds of cool things. And this is going to teach you how to not only build a website with Django and Python, but how to use a template to create a website like this very, very quickly. Once you learn how to use templates with Django, you can build any kind of website because literally you can just go out and find a free or very cheap template and just import it into Django, tweak it a little bit, and good to go. So after this course, you'll be able to build not just a dental website, but basically any website very quickly with Django and Python. My name is John Elder. I have almost 40 courses here at Udemy, over 45,000 students with over 100,000 enrollments, and overwhelmingly high reviews on all my courses. But if you aren't satisfied in any way, Udemy offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you're not happy, I'm not happy, and that's all there is to it. Join me today and let's build a dental website with Django and Python.